Hello everyone. We are going to look at Aerion's active respiratory helmet product. Here I have both what we call a standard unit and also the ultra version of the unit. I'm going to quickly walk you through the different parts of this product. So first, let's look at the helmet. So here is the helmet. This is made of fire resistant plastic, and here is your visor, and this is your chin cloth to get an airtight fit. So here we have the Aerion active respiratory helmet. This is one part of the product which goes on your head, and at the back here is the hose with an easy snap-on connector. Both sides are the same. So you take one end, snap on to the one side of the helmet, and you should hear a clicking sound, and that's it. So it's connected snug. So now let's look at the second part of this active respiratory helmet. So here I have the what we call the ultra back unit. So this one goes on the back of your waist, and there is a waist belt through which you can strap onto your waist and then use these two loose ends to tighten, and this fits snug. And actually, as you're preparing, you can just pull it to the side, then take the other end of the helmet, right, the hose, and then same snap mechanism, snap onto your back unit, push it to the back, and now wear the helmet and pull the chin strap down, and at the back you have the ratchet and adjust, then make sure and you use the buckle here to securely fasten the chin strap. And as you can see, there is fog here because the system is not running, right? The moment I start the system, there is a switch in the back, and the air should start to flow. And you can see here the switch. There are two settings. There's a down setting and then there is an up setting. And then you can just remove the helmet. You can easily remove the hose. Just press and remove. And I'm going to quickly show you next the standard unit. So let's get rid of this. So this is our ultra unit. Actually, I'm going to show you something really quick before we move to the standard unit. So here is the lid to change the filter. So you just press this to open the lid, and here is your pre-filter. Here's your pre-filter, and here is your HEPA filter, and let me put it here, and here is the optional carbon filter, right? So you can have up to 3 layers of filtration on the ultra unit, and then you can just snap it back. Okay, so I'm going to quickly switch to the standard unit now. Let me reuse the hose. So I'm going to snap it out of the back unit, and let's go to the standard unit. So here is our standard back unit. The air speed is about half that of the ultra unit. Then same thing, same mechanism. You buckle it, tighten it, then maybe initially you keep it on the side so you can easily snap the hose on. Okay, and then take the helmet, snap the other end of the hose to the back of the helmet until you hear the click sound, and then don the helmet adjust the ratchet in the back for a snug fit, right? Loosen it, make sure it sits on your head, and then use the chin cloth to pull it down. Now push this back, and I need to tighten both ends. So I'm set. Then I can turn on the switch, feel the air flowing, you will see the fog clearing, right? So that's our standard unit, and it's pretty comfortable. I can move all around. I'm not feeling any load in my head. So that's the standard unit for you. So the same helmet with two options for the customer. The basic one, which is the standard, and for like heavy dust, high temperature environments, you can use our ultra unit. So that's a quick rundown of our products. Thank you.